Hi guys, at GLORYMAQ, we don't just sell machines, we deliver trust and reliability. Our commitment to quality is unmatched, with every machine undergoing a rigorous 72-hour test before it reaches our customers. From mechanical precision to electrical performance, we leave no stone unturned in ensuring that our machine can meet the highest standards. Our team of experienced engineers meticulously inspect every detail, guaranteeing that each machine is in perfect working order. We understand that our customers deserve nothing but the best, which is why we go above and beyond to provide exceptional product and service. When you choose GLORYMAQ, you are not just getting a machine, you are getting 72-hour commitment to excellence, trust in our professionalism and dedication to quality, and experience level of service that exceeds your expectations.